Hello, first graders. Welcome back to your writing job for today. Our target skill for today is I can draft a personal narrative with sentences that tell about the main idea. Let's take a closer look. So yesterday, you spent time planning your sentences for today. We will draft that story now. As you are writing your story, I want you to think about 4 things that your personal narrative needs. It needs a title so that your reader knows what the story will be about. Your personal narrative will have a topic sentence. This sentence grabs your reader's attention and tells them what your story will be about. Now it's time to add detail sentences. This is where you tell your story. Make sure to use describing words and specific vocabulary so that your reader knows what is going on. And finally, you will have a closing sentence to finish your story. For examples and ideas to help you find a great closing sentence, watch the video on the next slide. Now it's your turn, boys and girls, to draft your personal narrative using your planned sentences. I'll see you tomorrow.